there's a whole bunch of different kinds of research case studies that you can conduct. So I think one of the first things is sort of understanding the things that you use and why you use it, right? Let's say you use a budgeting application, right? And that budgeting application does not meet your needs. At that point, you as a researcher, there should be some light bulbs going off in your head. So, the case study could start with yourself and then expand into others, right? If that budgeting tool isn't helping you realistically meet your budgeting goals, then that's a pain point. And you could expand from yourself to others, especially if you know other people who are using that budgeting application. You could ask them a general question. Hey, have you been like experiencing any pain points using this application? And getting those anecdotal insights is a way to continue to validate the need for you to even perform this case study, right? So as you build from there, starting with yourself and then understanding from others that are using the application or that are using something that already exists in the marketplace, then you have your initial pool of participants, right? And then from there, you can, leverage all of the tools that we've just went over, the research plan, the conversation guide, detailing your own, research goals and, your own research questions that you're looking to ask revolving around the experience of a particular product, right? And then from there, you could give recommendations on what that product should do. And at that point, you have something that you could potentially present to that product, whether if it's, contacting the team via email or being able to connect with them over LinkedIn to say, hey, I just conducted a case study on your product. I think it will be really valuable for, us to connect so I can present my findings to you. Maybe this is something that the company hasn't even thought of, but, understanding the products that you use, understanding if it's helping you, accomplish your tasks and, starting from yourself and expanding out is a great way to sort of go about conducting your own case studies. And sometimes it doesn't even have to start with you, right? Maybe there's something that a friend or family member is telling you that they're struggling with, right? And you ask them, is there anything available to you that has been helping you overcome that challenge? Well, if not, then at that point, that may be a good opportunity for you to perform a market analysis, right? To see what exists out there, to try to solve that problem for your family member or for your friend. And, if nothing exists, then, maybe that's an opportunity to start some discovery research to see again if other people have been experiencing the same thing, right? And I think that's the beauty of user research. What you do doesn't just impact one person. It's ultimately going to impact a group, a number, or an entire demographic of people.